So this is our first time, King's first time playing with the Fisher-Price Bounce and Spin puppy. It says that it spins in 360 degrees. It was real easy for me to put together. This is really his first time ever looking at it. So we're just doing a little unveiling right now. You like your puppy, King? King, you like your toy? This is his first time seeing it. As you can see, he's into it. I didn't sit him on it to bounce yet. I'm going to do that in a minute. I just want him to see what it has on it. Look, baby, you can sit on it. I'm going to put the phone down so that you can sit on it. Let's sit on your toy. It goes in a circle. Look. You go in a circle. You can bounce. You can bounce on your toy. It's actually me physically bouncing it because he doesn't understand it yet. Ooh. Oh, he loves this. You can bounce on your puppy. Look at you. And it goes in a circle. Look at your toy. You know how to bounce. He's been in a phase of trying to jump. Jump, baby. Jump. I could tell this he's really going to enjoy. He has another toy like this. We'll do a review on it later. One of the little toys that you can walk and push. And with that one, he has a hard time getting off. But this one is sturdy enough that, as you can see, he's able to lift his leg, get over it. We'll see if he goes back on it. It moves, baby. Doggy moves. You like your toy? Tell the people. You like your puppy? Oh, yeah. Oh, keep your balance. You can stand on here, baby. I don't think he realizes that he can stand on the green. He'll figure it out. You see the letters A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. Puppy bounces. Puppy moves. And it is very sturdy, the way that it's put together. You like your toy? Say hi. Hi, puppy. Say hi, puppy.